Hello. The past couple weeks I've been practicing a couple things. So first, the other day I went and learned to do a multi-pitch. Oh, I'm up here learning to lead. And now I'm like 30 minutes outside of Moab, Utah, and we're gonna go on another climbing trip. But it's pretty cold out there. It's gonna be sitting around freezing the whole time, so I don't know how well we're gonna be climbing. Here's some snow.
Do you have ADHD? Am I being judged right now?
This was our little campsite outside Moab.
Today we're going to go to today we're going to go to Arches. If I lead this 510A, I'm going to Denny's.
Huawei.
Good camera.
Yeah, Leica's lens. Okay. Cheers. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Also, you've been here yesterday, right? Mm-hmm. You see the decoration arch
No.
in the sunset?
No, we
Dedicated.
You will try to see the dedicated arch in sunset today. It's beautiful.
Make sure you get the arch, please. With your donut. Before I lead climb, I like to eat a chocolate donut.
Send juice.
You have the whole arch in that?
No, it's like just your shoulders and your head.
Oh no. Oh no.
You think I'll fit?
Three-point basket. I can't reach it, but you just. The womb return. It's like when you go to the aquarium and you go under that little thing. Oh, yeah. You put your head up, you're like, I'm one with the sea now.
Oh, those are so trippy because I'm like, oh, I want to have my body wet.
Let me be wet. Body wet.
Anybody want to go to Red Rocks in February? I'll pay for the rental car. I've got to fly.
Wait, Red Rocks, like, which ones?
And
Las
Vegas.
Vegas.
4-day weekend.
February would be a great time to go. Okay.
Neemor, what are you doing in February? Well, it's all set in stone. I'll text y'all with information once I start planning. You think it's over there? I don't know yet. Okay.
We bouldered like right down there yesterday, and then today we're heading up to this wall that's up here. We're gonna do some sport climbing. It's so cool to see this kind of landscape in like a different perspective, like hiking. So for backpacking, this kind of landscape is like so barren and dry, but looking at it with a perspective of climbing is so cool because there's so much here.
Hello. Do you have chalk bag?
Yeah.
And whenever you want to take a break on the wall, if you're like,
You just tighten it up.
literally just sit back and I'll catch you.
Yeah.
Hold on to you.
This is a trust exercise.
It really is. It's terrifying.
Excuse me, sir. Let me just scoot around you.
Well, don't grab that one.
I knew a girl named Rose. At this point, if you were to fall, you can swing. Just so you know. But
Okay, so I want to hit.
Yeah,
Do you
that's
see
like 10 feet off the ground.
Never hold my rope. I should always hold the rock. Okay. Yeah.
Chicken jalapeno sausage, chicken cheddar jalapeno sausage, hot dogs.
the different types of climbing.
Yeah, it has stimming, you know, crimping, slopers.
Thank you. Neemor, I put scratches on it. I'm sorry.
No, I don't have anything.
Do you want to know a fast way to do that?
No.
Okay.
What's wrong with my way?
Huh?
It's horrible.
There's nothing wrong with your way.
It's terrible.
Just, like, if you grab both ends.
Please don't film it. Please don't film it. Please don't film it. I did a good lead climb today, so we're gonna go to Denny's, and I'm gonna get an omelet with bacon, eggs. Wait, eggs are already in omelets. So now we're gonna go to McDonald's. I didn't do a lead climb.
That's right, you didn't.
Damn it. But in today's climbing adventure, Neemor worked on his ascender, and now he's going to be able to start hanging from these big walls and taking good photos of me looking fabulous. Don't go up my nose, man. Can you stop? Thank you. That was fun.
Everyone left, and now it's time to head back to Salt Lake for work. It was a awesome trip, and I feel like I have a new appreciation for this type of landscape, this desert. It's, yeah, looking at it from a climbing perspective is really cool. It was fun being out here.